Greetings, my wonderful people, lovers of freedom worldwide, and my fellow Biafrans. I welcome you back again to Queencapon Media, the one and only YouTube channel where they give una back-to-back updates on anything where they go on in Biafran land. Yes, so my wonderful people, I am back again as I promised with the proceeding of things will happen with the proceeding of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court trial today. Yes, so my wonderful people, as we all remembered or knew already, that today is 18th day of July 2025, happened to be another trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which according to the title of today's trial, they said is going to be no case submission. Yes, so my wonderful people. So inside this video, do not be in a haste to leave this video because I'm going to be sharing with you now every single thing that happened in the court, just brief. I no go make matter long. I will not exaggerate, as una know Queencapon Media, straight to the update. So my people, after the arrival of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which you dey watch for your screen right now, look at some of the things, the transcript of things that already happened today. Let's start it already. According to breaking, heavy tight security as court approves only 10 attendees as Nnamdi Kanu trial resumed today. The court approved only 10 people to be in attendance in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial today. I know say before there was some limited figure, but it wasn't limited to 10. At least sometimes we see like 20 something people or 15. It depends on the numbers of people that wants to attend his trial. In today's own, it was quite different because according to this update, according to this legit update, it says that court restricted a lot of people and allow only 10 people to be in attendance. Let's continue. The trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, resumed today, Friday, July 18, 2025, at the Federal High Court in Abuja, with strict attendance restriction in place. Justice James K. Omotosho, who is presiding over the case, approved a list of only 10 individuals from the side of the defendant who are permitted to be present in the courtroom. Lists obtained by our correspondent include 8 senior lawyers and 2 close associates of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Wow, only his 8 senior lawyers, which is son, and 2 close members of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's family. Wow. The approved legal team feature several senior advocates of Nigeria, which is SAN, include Kanu G. Agabi, Dr. Onyinyechi Ikpeazu, Paul Erokoro, Emeka Itiaba, Mela Audu, Dr. Joseph Akubo, Uchenna Njoku, and Aloy Ejimako also cleared to attend are Honorable Obi Agwocha, a member of the House of Representatives, and Prince Emma Kanu, the younger brother to the IPOB leader. These are people where they allow, may they attend today trial. Let's continue, my wonderful people. The court session slated to begin at 9 o'clock a.m. follows the previous hearing where the federal government closed its case and the defense was directed to file its written address on a no-case submission within 14 days. Today's proceedings are expected to be pivotal as the court continues to examine whether the prosecution has established a prima facie case against the defendant. Meanwhile, journalists and members of the public remain barred from attending the trial, a move that has continued to raise concerns over transparency and press freedom in the handling of the high-profile case. Nnamdi Kanu has been in detention since June 2021 following his redemption from Kenya, with his trial drawing national and international attention. So my wonderful people, when I don't see them now, this particular proceeding update where I just read to now how our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu take enter court today, and also the restriction where the courts, this one are just emergency one, it just happened today. the restriction that the court gave concerning the numbers of people that will be attending his trial today. And according to this update, they said they only allowed 10 people. And that 10 people included the sons, 8 sons that will be representing him, and 2 associates, a younger brother to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and maybe some other person joined them. And remember, the members of the public, they don't withhold us from receiving major things when they happen inside the court section, unlike before. So my wonderful people, a whole lot. Today we were expecting that something different will happen inside our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court case, but according to wetin I don't get today, my people, I don't think so. Let's continue. My wonderful people, let me share with you now some of the updates, the little one we were able to gather, because me, I don't like plenty words. I go straight to the point. And any matter why they drop for now legit and pure. I don't like making matter exaggerate or lying. The update says, just in the presiding judge, this is how everything happened. The presiding judge, Justice James Omotosho, has recently arrived to oversee the court proceeding scheduled for today. The court was instructed to rise as James Omotosho take his seat to commence the day business. A court official has brought the matter forward, and the both party has been directed to make a formal introduction as required by law. Normal greetings. After the arrival of the presiding judge, then the both party, they were made, legal party, they were made to stand up and introduce themselves. Let's also see what later happened after that. So my people, after that, look at the next update where we don't see. This one said the prosecution presented a counter submission over the no case submission filed by the defense. It was argued to its conclusion and scheduled for ruling. Due to the routine Nigeria court vacation and the presiding Nigeria court vacations, the presiding judge has adjourned the ruling on the no case submission to the 10th of October 2025. The ruling will determine the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or trigger an entrance for defense. 10th of October is now officially the D-Day for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is the only thing that happened today. I don't like missing word, adding sugar, adding Maggi, so that I will get view. No, this is the only update where don't come out as of the time I'm making this video. So if you dey hear any other thing where other blog or other channel they tell you now, it might be lie. I didn't say that is a lie, but this is the only thing, because they restricted a lot of updates from coming out. This is the little one that managed to come out. The next one is about what is legal counsel. They don't come out, yes, so, and this one is a good one for that matter. I'm going to allow one right now. Make una hear things where is legal counsel, Barrister Ejimako, where he don't talk. This update says Barrister Law Ejimako brief media on today's outcome at court adjourned the ruling on no case submission to 10th of October 2025. So my people, make I play am, make una hear wetin Aloy Ejimako don talk concerning this matter, because this case
hearing has just been concluded. As you already know, my name is Aloy Ejimako. I'm addressing you from the steps of the Federal High Court in Abuja. We do have an embargo on addressing the press, but not on giving an update. So I'm here to give an update within the framework and within the restrictions placed by the court in addressing the press. With me here are some of our brothers from the United States who came into Abuja 2 days ago to observe these proceedings and show or demonstrate their solidarity with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Ndibayi Nime. On my left here is Dr. Sylvester Onya, who is the president of the Association of American Veterans of People in America. Beside him and behind me is Dr. Queencapon, the secretary of AVID for short. And on my left is Dr. Uzo, Eric, Chukwuso. He's a ranking member of AVI, the American Military Veterans of the Service. They have shown support. Their presence in Abuja underscores the support they have shown to Onyendu since the rendition in 2021. And the support has been very consistent and really very significant and highly helpful. With me here as well, on my right, far right, is Honorable Obi Nigeria, the former member of the State Assembly, whose presence and support around us has also been very significant. And to my left is on Justice Ibama. Yes, he's a very good friend of ours and a good friend of Onyendu. As a matter of fact, I was going to be meeting with Onyendu later today.
And of noted where that counsel.
Yes. A ranking Igbo man who is very patriotic to the core. And we have everyone, our friend from Igbo.
For Warri,
Warri, sounds very good. And of course, we have Ebogu, we have Chemenye, we have all our brothers here that I can't mention, my sisters. Please, what happened is this. Today, we made a no-case submission. The meaning of no-case submission is that the trial or the case or witnesses and evidence presented by the prosecution since this trial commenced in March this year did not rise to the level of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stepping into the dock to enter his defense. We did that in writing, and we also supported it with a verbal presentation today, and the government made a counter presentation as well. Today, unfortunately, happened to be the last day of the sitting of the judge handling this case before he crosses on vacation for 2 months. So the case has been set down for ruling on the no-case submission for October 10th. If the ruling goes in our favor, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will stand discharged unacquitted. If it doesn't mean he has been convicted, but he will be called upon to enter his own defense. And that is when we are going to see the defense we are going to enter, if at all necessary. We have not entered our defense since this case, because the procedure has not come to that point. And we pray and hope that it will never do. That on the 10th, the matter will be over. But if perchance it doesn't, we are ready to proceed. And we've got upon to do so. Thank you very much.
So my wonderful people, in that aspect, these our brother don't come out to diverse. Many of our people, they don't diverse. Say what it be this now? Is today not supposed to be the day where they go end everything, make our leader go? So this one of our brother, he don't talk, don't carry verse. Come on, he said he posted this picture of Omotosho, James Omotosho, the chief judge, where they preside over this case. He said he came with deceptive accelerated hearing and swift conclusion on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court case. Though some of us were just following up the case, but we knew he is wising. We knew that he is wise in wicked surge and was positioned to punish Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with unending case adjournment. His accelerated hearing is now heading to 1 year. Just a deceptive accelerated hearing. You have adjourned the case to October without consideration that an innocent man will be in detention and you with your family will go on vacation. Terrible. Let us see if God can be mocked. Nigeria is a horrible country. So my wonderful people, chai, this is so painful. With all our hope high, expecting that freedom is going to be taking place. Our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom is going to be taking place today. Imagine they don't adjourn this case again till the 10th of October. These people are wicked.